In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date in Microsoft Loop, full 2026 guide. Dates are the backbone of planning in Loop, whether you're noting a milestone, setting a reminder, or tracking a task. I'll walk you through several reliable ways to add dates, from quick inline entries to structured table fields, so you can choose the method that fits your page and workflow. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft Loop at loop.cloud.microsoft.com. Sign in if prompted. Once you're in, move to the workspace that holds your project, then open the specific page where you want to add a date. Getting to the right spot first keeps your content organized and saves you from moving things later. When you want to drop a date directly into your text, place your cursor on an empty line or at a blank spot in a paragraph and type /date. You'll see a calendar picker appear right where you're typing. Click to choose the date you need, and Loop will insert a neat date chip inline. This is great for quick notes like meeting days, handoff milestones, or simple reminders. If you pick the wrong day, just select the chip and choose a new date, or undo to revert. Another flexible option is to use the Insert menu. On your page, click the plus button and select Date from the dropdown. This creates the same kind of date chip, but it's helpful if you prefer using menus or you're building out content systematically. After inserting it, click the chip to adjust the date. You can type around it to add context such as labels, owners, or checklist items. For more structured tracking, work inside a table, click into the table, select the column where you want dates to live, and change the column type to date. Now, every cell in that column expects a date. Click any cell to open the calendar picker and choose a value. This is ideal for consistent data entry and makes scanning timelines across rows much easier. If you need to update multiple rows, you can move quickly down the column, clicking and setting dates one after another. Finally, if you're using project planning table components, many of them include native start date and due date fields. Click into those fields on each task to set when work begins and when it needs to be completed. Keeping both fields updated gives you a clear timeline, helps teammates see what's on deck, and makes it simple to spot slippage early. That's it. Use inline dates for quick notes, the insert menu for controlled placement, and table date fields for structured, repeatable tracking. With these options, your loop pages will stay clear, consistent, and deadline ready.